7 2012 Ford Fusion Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 7. Ford, Lincoln, Mercury Battery Hold Down. Is your Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury battery rattling around, causing concern? Our premium battery hold down is the secure replacement you need for that worn, stripped, or missing original part. This essential component keeps your battery firmly in place, significantly reducing movement. Why is that important? Because a stable battery enjoys maximum lifespan, saving you from premature replacements and inconvenient breakdowns. You can trust its quality. It's backed by a dedicated team of engineers and inspectors right here in the United States. For a guaranteed perfect fit, simply use our garage tool to input your exact make, model, and trim level. Get back on the road with confidence. Number 6. Bosch S6 Flat Plate AGM Battery. Tired of battery worries? Meet the Bosch S6 Flat Plate AGM Battery, engineered for drivers who demand unwavering reliability. This isn't just any battery. Its maintenance-free, spill-proof design means you can truly set it and forget it, enjoying carefree usage on every journey. Thanks to enhanced charge acceptance, your Bosch S6 recharges faster, ensuring dependable starts even in extreme conditions. What's more, our innovative Energy Life technology delivers up to twice the lifespan of conventional batteries, offering incredible long-term value and fewer replacements. And for ultimate peace of mind, it comes with a comprehensive 4-year free replacement warranty and complimentary roadside assistance. Drive confidently, knowing Bosch truly has your back. Number 5. Ford Lincoln Battery Fuse 2010 to 2015. Restore peak electrical performance in your Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury with our premium battery fuse, perfect for 2010 to 2015 models like the Edge, Fusion, MKX, MKZ, and Milan. When your vehicle demands a dependable electrical fix, our FuseLink fuse delivers, offering crucial 200A and 120A options for optimal system support. Crafted from durable, premium materials, it's engineered to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring years of reliable service for your essential functions. We've made installation a breeze. Each fuse includes automotive-grade nuts, 2x6mm, 1x8mm, making setup efficient and straightforward. This direct fit 926,014 replacement flawlessly matches original specifications, guaranteeing a seamless, professional installation. Get back on the road with confidence. Number 4. F150 Fusion Edge MKZ Battery Sensor. Tired of electrical system woes or mysterious battery warning lights? Our F150 Fusion Edge MKZ battery sensor is the reliable solution you've been searching for. Engineered to meet or exceed OEE specifications, DS7Z, 10C679A, etc. It guarantees a precise, perfect fit for your Ford F150, 2015 to 2020, Fusion, 2013 to 2020, Edge, 2016 to 2020, or Lincoln MKZ, 2013 to 2020. Installation couldn't be simpler. This direct fit replacement effortlessly swaps out your old or faulty sensor, instantly restoring accurate battery monitoring and charging performance without a hitch. Get back on the road with confidence, knowing your vehicle's critical electrical system is operating exactly as it should. It's the smart way to ensure consistent power and total peace of mind. Number 3. Reliable Ford 3.5L V6 Alternator. Is your Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury 3.5L V6 experiencing dim lights or sluggish electronics? Restore your vehicle's reliable power with our premium alternator. Designed as a direct OE replacement, it offers a perfect, hassle-free fit for Ford Edge, Taurus, Fusion, 2007 to 2014, Lincoln MKX/MKZ, 2007 to 2012, and Mercury Sable, 2008 to 2009 models. This 150A 12V unit ensures stable, consistent power, keeping all your vehicle's systems running smoothly and your battery efficiently charged. Built with robust, high-quality components, it's engineered to withstand demanding heat and vibration, guaranteeing exceptional longevity on the road. Drive with confidence knowing your power source is reliable, backed by a 365-day warranty for complete peace of mind. Number 2. Ford Lincoln Mercury Battery Fuse Terminal. Is your Ford, Lincoln, or Mercury experiencing frustrating electrical hiccups? Restore reliable, consistent power with our premium battery fuse terminal. Engineered from robust, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant metal. This terminal is built to withstand diverse conditions, ensuring lasting durability and performance you can truly trust. It guarantees an enhanced, stable connection, optimizing your vehicle's entire electrical system and minimizing malfunctions. Designed as a direct, seamless replacement for Ford Edge/Fusion, Lincoln MKX, 2010 to 2015, and Mercury Milan, 2010 to 2011. It perfectly matches OEM specifications like BT4Z 14450AA. Plus, its user-friendly design makes installation remarkably straightforward, saving you valuable time and effort. Get back on the road with confidence and consistent power. Number 1. Ford and Lincoln Key Fob Batteries CR2450. Is your Ford or Lincoln Key Fob losing its spark? Don't get caught stranded. Upgrade to Roam Tech CR2450 Lithium 3V batteries, specifically engineered for a wide range of models like the Ford F-150, Explorer, Edge, and Bronco 2017-2025+. These batteries deliver consistent, long-lasting power, ensuring your key fob works reliably every time, even after daily wear and tear or in extreme temperatures. Enjoy extended battery life, peace of mind, and uninterrupted access to your vehicle without constant worry of replacement. While versatile for other electronics, their primary mission is dependable car accessibility. Always double-check your vehicle's compatibility and key fob image to ensure the perfect fit for reliable performance. So, that sums up my 2012 Ford Fusion battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a